Hey, fellow mathers. Before we get into this episode, have we got some really important information?
Y'all, registration is now open for our Building Powerful Mathematics online workshops. I know you're as excited as we are because this is where the magic happens. The why, when, how, the details, the experience, making real mathing happen in you and your classroom.
Building your numeracy, your mathematics, gaining insight into which models and strategies to use, seeing the teacher moves in action, and more is all jam-packed into these content-rich online workshops that you can take anytime, any day on your schedule. We've got workshops for teachers kindergarten through grade 12. Head on over to mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops to find your best fit. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Registration is only open for a short time, so book your spot before it's too late. Now on to the episode.
I'm sure the episode's going to be great. Hey, fellow mathers. Welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam Harris.
And I'm Kim Montague.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a maths problem on social media and people from around the world, maths, chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this week on Wednesday, our math problem was 874 minus 13.9. How would you like to solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve however you want. The problem is 874 minus 13 and 9 tenths.
Bam.
You went first last time, so I'm going to go first this time.
All right, go ahead. Except for I know what I want to do, I think, but...
Why? I'm going to go first anyway.
Okay.
I'm going to say 874 minus 14 is 860. And then I'm going to add a tenth because I subtracted 1/10 too much, and I got 860.1.
Okay, I was kind of listening while I was doing my own strategy.
Okay,
so
that's fair.
I'll compare at the end. How's that?
Okay, all right.
Okay, so I'm looking at 13.9 on the number line and 874 on the number line. Mm-hmm. I'm doing what you did last time. And I'm shifting both of those numbers up 6.1. So if I shift them both up 6.1, the 13.9 goes to 20. Mm-hmm. The 874 goes to 93.1. 893.1, right? Yeah. No, 883. Good heavens. 883.1. No. Goodness,
how much did you shift up?
Oh, hang on a second. 874 plus 6.1 is 880.1.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was doing, but I knew it was wrong when I looked at it. All right. 880.1 minus 20 is 860.1. Is that what you got?
It is. It's funny that you would shift to
20,
which, I think a lot of people want to shift to like a nice round number that you're going to subtract.
What would you have shifted to? 14?
I actually would have just shifted to 14 because I see the 74. And 74 and 14 is nice.
Sure enough. So if I shifted it to 14, then it would be 874.1 minus 14. All right, this is probably the least efficient strategy I've ever done on Math Strat Chat, but there you go. Hey, maybe that'll give everybody permission to be less efficient your first go around, and then mathematical behavior. Look back at what you did and decide, hey, I want my brain to do that next time.
You solved the problem, and you know how to use lots of relationships. I call it a win.
So I appreciate that, Kim.
All right. We can't wait to see what you do every week at Math Strat Chat. We hope you join us and let us know how you think about the problems. And we love it the most when you comment on everyone else's strategies.
Oh, we love it when you do that. Yeah. We post the problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central Time. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. Thanks for being part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement and making math more and more figure-outable. Thank you for listening and making math more figure-outable. If you missed it, registration is currently open for our Building Powerful Mathematics workshops.
Registration only opens 3 times a year. In these workshops is where you will find and learn all the things that you need to make math more figure-outable. Find details at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Hey, K-12 educators, we have a workshop for you. Build your numeracy, build your mathematics, learn the teacher moves, equip yourself with the knowledge you need to have students naturally engaged in their learning. No matter what grade level you teach, we have a targeted workshop for you.
And you can find the best workshop for you at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Let's change the world together and make math more and more figure outable.